talking about right there. Look. See those badges? Can you see the badges? Badge of honor. I have good news and bad news. Bad news is I managed to hurt my foot while trying to offload that truck by myself. So that's the bad news. The good news is I have some free time now since I can't offload it. So I'm gonna take this home and get an E85 for it and see what else we can do. You know, it's kind of embarrassing to admit. I haven't cleaned out my car in like a year. When I say a year, I mean like a year. Like, we vacuumed it, but I haven't cleaned out the stuff. This is how the G-Ride looks in the sun. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Yo, not a tech channel, but inconspicuous brown, nice quality boxes mean only one thing: Apple products. Ready? Wow. Did you guys know once upon a time I really wanted to be a tech reviewer so bad, like so bad, but I didn't have any money to buy like more electronics. But I have something here today. Useless shit that requires you, because I bought the new MacBook Pro 15-inch i9. Requires you to buy everything more, and it annoys me beyond anything I can explain, because I have a lot of stuff and I'm not trying to buy more things. The i9 doesn't even have a port for my SD card. Really, bro? Really? Like $20 for a USB-C cable? But I did kind of spoil myself this time, just a little bit. You ready for the reveal? Whoa! Oh my goodness. One-handed vlogging. Not recommended. Full-size keyboard, black edition. Before I show you the good piece, 87-watt USB block, USB-C, 2 meters. No idea how long that is. We use feet. The good piece is right here. I don't know if you guys are like me, but for some odd reason, I love keeping all of my Apple boxes in cases. I don't know. It's not that I hate the Apple mouse, but I love my MX Pro a lot. If you guys don't have this and you're an editor, missing out on life for here. You can program so many buttons. I would go do a whole review for you guys, but not a tech channel. Although we could have tech days, because that's what Casey Neistat does, right? Look at this keyboard. And you guys know that I usually my desk is a lot cleaner. I like white desk, like the white spaces, but I got this darker laptop, which is the space gray, whatever that means. I figured I'd have a space gray keyboard to go along with my laptop. And I have a white keyboard at my office, but this looks fucking sick. Comes with a nice charger cable. Okay, I can get used to this light. Keyboard's unmolested. And that concludes tech review with Mike Wynn. Should we make it a thing? We're home. Say, where are you going? Where are you going, love?
Come here, love. Hello. I love you.
Hi.
I missed you today.
Hi.
I missed you today.
Okay, bye.
Oh, you gonna say bye to me?
Bye.
You gonna say bye to the camera? We're gonna go to dinner. Torrin's birthday yesterday. We're celebrating it today with him for some Korean barbecue. If you guys haven't had Korean barbecue, I will show you guys how to properly eat it. Oh, hi, Aliyah. Hello. We are eating Korean barbecue.
Bye.
We used to go to college right down the street. Say bye. Look at the stuff you get to see. Static Life.
Bye.
Hello. Happy birthday.
31.
The 31. You look like you're still the 21.
Did you say Uncle Torrin? Did you say Uncle?
Yeah.
What's up? This is the guy that didn't wave back to me.
What a jerk, right?
I know.
Yeah, no, thank you.
What is it? FRS or Jersey?
It's an FRS. FRS. Yeah. Big Wang. Big Wang, Battle Arrow. Oh, look, my wife's pulling up right now. Gotta get that good spot, you know?
His car? Your car?
Yeah.
Wife driving. She's right over yonder. Yeah, baby? Look. Oh! Ali's trying to grab it. Nice. Oh, look, she found parking. Dang. But here's the big question. Here's the big question. Is she gonna back it in?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Oh, she knows? She knows the rules?
She knows the rules.
She knows the rules. That's good. Okay, no pressure on the wifey.
No
But,
pressure on the wifey. No, she's got
you
it.
know, she's gotta back it into the parking spot. Full faith. He has full faith. What's your IG?
SoCalSignCraft.
Okay, got you there. Let's see. Make way, people. She's about to back in. Make way, people. Race car coming through. Like no one gives an F.
Everyone's just trying to get that. Yeah, we actually have a group of us that are coming today.
Oh, sick.
T-Pat Terrence.
Bye.
Okay. Everyone by the IG names?
Yeah. Well, his name's Terrence.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
He's the DDR, the white FRS.
Nice. Yes, baby. Hey, baby. Dang. Yep. She's a veteran. She knows the rules here. She knows how to back it, and she airs out. Oh, easy there. Everyone's all like, "Where'd you find her?"
We're playing video games actually.
Nice. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. She straightens out the wheel. She knows it. What happened? Why are you just so sad, huh?
It's about me, not your fans. I'm the number one today.
You are number one in my heart every day. Dang, look at this beauty. V3. You wrapped it?
Yeah.
You wrapped it? Oh, so the sexy.
It's printed wrap, so it's not overlaid or anything.
Shit. Damn.
Yeah, it's dirty because of the fires.
Damn, I know.
Close to the fires right now.
Fuck, I love that dish. Look at this. Oh, race car. Dude, this is like a car meet over here. Damn. Oh, Korean barbecue, Torrin, you sold a bad.
It's good for me.
Yeah, salad. Hi, love. Are you enjoying your food also? Hey, you were just talking.
Yo, we got the hookup dough. We got the hookup dough. We got the hookup dough.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Does that look like pie?
Another successful end of a vlog with the baby girl. Yo, I did not teach her to wave to the camera. Apparently she learned how. Thanks for watching, guys. We are like, oh my gosh, we are a dozen vlog in to daily uploads at 10 a.m. every day. If you guys are watching to the end, I saw you guys who commented you're still watching.
No.
And from our family and our hearts to you, thank you so much. Continue leaving those comments because I actually do enjoy reading your comments. I read more comments than I actually read books. So,
Bye.
okay, she says bye. Vlog's over. Say bye one more time.
Bye.
Blow them a kiss. Can you blow them a kiss? Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
Bye.